Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and material next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And as you can already see that I have four trading opportunities marked here on the chart. So we will be discussing one by one. But before we begin, I would like to mention one thing that, my dear friends, we should not forget that today is Friday. As we all know, okay, Fridays can be dangerous, so please be careful during the US session. Because if you see the market has gone crazy, market is not listening to anyone, not respecting any levels. Okay, if you're an experienced trader, you can go with the flow. If you're a beginner, new trader, or you have a low balance, okay, then it's better to stop trading, okay, and enjoy with your friends and family. Start trading from Monday again. So be careful because today is Friday. Do not fry your trading account. Okay. If you look at the economic calendar, we can see that today we do not have any major event, but still there can be some craziness because it's Friday. Okay. Now let's uh, look at the market sentiment first. First of all, okay, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold steady amid mid-east tensions. Gold poised to end week, little change means more or less market is steady right now, and right now we do not have any major event. Okay, that is giving a direction to the market. Yes, when the tension rose again between USA and Iran, we saw this candle, but now we can see that market is trying to recover, and more or less market is stable. Okay, so the first trading opportunity that we have in front of us is a breakout above 4138. So during the day, if you see market is in consolidation around the same zone, if you see market is consolidating around the same zone for 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours, then it is a good sign that there is a possibility of a breakout, because for any powerful breakout or breakdown in any market of the world, consolidation plays a very important role. So if market consolidates for 2 to 3 hours, if you see that gold is very boring throughout the Asian session, market has consolidated, मतलब पूरा Asian session में market consolidate करता रहा, so that is a good sign. There's a possibility that a breakout may come. So if market breaks 4138, we can look for a buy opportunity. Okay, can buy at breakout. But as we all know, my dear friends, that buying at breakout is risky because there is also a possibility of a false breakout, isn't it? Because sometimes market comes down after showing the breakout, okay, and we get trapped. So if you do not want to take any risk, then what you can do is you can buy at pullback. See, after the breakout, obviously market will be coming down because market cannot go up in a straight line. So when 4138, 4134 will become the new support, means the previous resistance will become the new support, you can buy at pullback. So the first trading opportunity is buying after a breakout, after some consolidation, and if you want to avoid the risk of false breakout, then you can buy at pullback when the same zone 3834 will act as the new support. Okay, so these are the two trading opportunities if market goes up. Right now, as we can clearly see that there is not much volume in the market. So if market comes down with similar candles, then as a day trader, we can look for a support around 4100, 4092, the same support zone. Yes, we are expecting the same support zone to work again because low volume. See, volume plays a very important role. To break any level, volume is important. For example, see, when there was volume here, okay, market had to form this humongous candle, then only market went down. Without volume, there cannot be a breakout or breakdown. So here also, if we do not see much volume in the market, अगर ज़्यादा volume नहीं रहा market में, we can expect the old support 4100, 4092 to work again. So if you see market is taking support, market is showing prices action from below, market is showing hammer kind of a pattern, okay, then you can look for a buy position. I'm not saying that, okay, you will get a complete reversal from here because nobody can predict, and nowadays it has become very difficult for us to predict the market's response when market hits a level. There was a time when, okay, we used to expect that after hitting the support, market will go to the next resistance. Remember, we used to set our TP at the next resistance, but nowadays those type of things do not work. Why they do not work? Because see, the market is also evolving, and because of artificial intelligence, the trading has changed completely. To be honest, I personally feel after a couple of years, manual trading will be more difficult, and new traders will not be able to survive at all because AI has changed the game completely. Okay, anyways, that's a different story. So here, if you see market taking support on a 41004092, we can look for a buy position. How much you can expect? At least I will be playing for 1 or 2 candles. Okay, that's it. So this is our opportunity number 3, where you can look for a buy if market takes support in a low volume market, right? As we can see right now. The 4th opportunity is, okay, buying at or buying around, okay, not at, buying around 4060, because this is another zone for us. Why 4060? For example, okay, for example, during the European session, you see that market has dropped. Okay, there is a sudden selling pressure in the market. Gold is full of surprises, isn't it? Gold हमें surprise देते रहता है. So if market drops with sudden selling pressure, okay, then obviously we need to plan our trades accordingly, isn't it? We need to be flexible. Okay, so in that case, we can look for a buy around 4060. Okay, why 4060? Let me show you. See, here market has shown price rejection from below previously, so we are expecting 4060 to act as support. Okay, because to be honest, I'm not expecting before US session, I'm not expecting a huge sell-off. I'm not expecting the market will form big red candles. So before US session, or if market remains like this, we can definitely expect 4060 4057 to provide support to the market. If it does, we can also look for a buy position. Keep in mind, these levels do not work as a one level. Okay, they work as zones. For example, if you see market taking support around 405758, it means the market has taken support, market has respected the zone. मतलब अगर 405756 पे भी मार्केट सपोर्ट लेता है, इसका मतलब मार्केट ने जोन को रेस्पेक्ट किया है. एक लेवल नंबर पे काम नहीं करता, वो जोन की तरह काम करता है. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर 4th opportunity where we can look for a buy position if market drops with heavy volume and breaks 4100. And as we all know, the weekly closing is going to play a major role. Let's see where the market closes. Okay, so again, be careful during the US session. If a sudden selling pressure comes, or if you see market has gone crazy, okay, do not trade. If you're a new trader, beginner, okay, trade from Monday again. If you're an experienced trader, okay, obviously you can show your charm. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.